In this short video, I'm going to talk about correct use of electrodes with your Evoked Potentials System. We have a variety of electrodes that are available for use with your system. We supply Vermed electrodes, Sanibel electrodes, and AMBU electrodes. The most important thing is to always use the electrodes that come with your device. We do also offer a variety of options at the Sanibel Supply catalog. When using any of our electrodes, they are single use. So once they come off of the patient, they are intended to be thrown away and not reused. Make sure to always prep your patient with the appropriate supplies, NuPrep and alcohol wipes as needed. And very important to make sure that your patient's skin is dry before applying the electrodes. If you liked this tips and tricks video, please like and share. Thank you for watching.